It's time for the word. Come on, somebody. Make no mistake, God is not mocked. A person will harvest what they plant. Galatians 6:7. Be blessed.
Hey guys, Afi Elizabeth here. Welcome back to my channel. Why did my voice crack like that? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about the hair. I'm going to do a nice little ponytail style for y'all. Hopefully, you know, we look cute or whatever. But if this is your first time on my page, hey, how are you doing? You are most definitely welcome. So today I'm going to be doing a ponytail style. Look, my edges already done, sis. My edges already looking good. Okay, we don't even got to touch that. We really don't have to touch that. We're going to do a spaced low bun. So what I like to do is, of course, normally I don't pay attention to my line because this hairstyle is going to be on my head for a while. We got to pay attention to the bun, to the line. So now we got the bun, the separation ready. I'm going to get my clips and I'm going to clip this part right here. And voila, there's a hairstyle. Bam. I'm just kidding. And we're gonna work on this part right here. So I like to start with my hair crack, which is this beauty right here. I call this my hair crack because I have everything in this bottle. I have my aloe vera juice, I have my leave-in conditioner, I have my mixture oils, which is my coconut oil, grapeseed oil, Jamaican castor oil, the main choice oil. I think that's about it. Other oils, I'm gonna leave it down below in case I forgot, but I have everything in here. And then I have my leave-in conditioner, my actual conditioner, and yeah, we just have everything in here. I will leave the ingredients down below if you want to make one. Literally, this has helped my hair grow really well. I absolutely j'adore. This is basically my leave-in conditioner, and it's been helping my hair like crazy. So we're gonna spray this on the hair. Yes, sis. We're gonna spray it. Ooh, let's not mess with the edges. Who you thought you was? Touching the edges like that. So yeah, and we're just going to sadly uncomb the hair with the wide tooth comb. Boy, look at that hair. That hair thick like a mug. Ain't it? Ain't it thick? So the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna brush it back so we can get that nice, you see them edges, baby. Them edges looking good, I'll tell you that. So one thing that I like to do when I do my slick back or my ponytail, whatever it is I like to do that's called ponytail, that includes me tying my hair up, I like to mix my gel because my hair is a little bit bougie, okay? 1 minute it likes the gel by itself and the next minute it doesn't like the gel by itself. So I like to do a little combination of everything, which is what I call my hair gel crack. I do my Got To Be Gel, the yellow one. I also do my Got To Be Gel, the black one. And then I go in with my clear ice gel, which is one of my OG that most people don't like. And then I hit them with the whoa, and I hit the style factor on top of everything just so it can stick and it can stay and it can last. All that stuff. Normally I like to spritz my hair with the spritz. I think that's what it's called, the old-fashioned spritz. That's what actually helps my hair stay slick down. But because we don't have it right now, I knew that's what I needed at the store. If we don't have it right now, we're just gonna work with what we have. So we're gonna start with the clear ice, which is this gel right here. I normally use the black one. We're gonna put it right here. Yeah, that's how I do it. That's how I do it, okay? That's not how you do it. That's how I do it. So yeah, we're gonna slick it back like this. Ooh, see that? Don't let it fool you. It looked like it's slicked back. In a minute you're gonna see what I mean. Don't let it fool you. Acting all polite because we got visitors. Don't let it fool you. You see that? Okay. So after we do that, we're gonna go in with the Got To Be Gel, the black one. I'm just gonna apply that on there. Now we starting to slick, but we ain't there yet. We not there yet. We're gonna go with the yellow got to be gel. I'm telling you, my hair gives me attitude. Like, it be forgetting that I could easily just chop you off. But I don't like to see myself bald. No ma'am. So we deal with you. You know, we put up with you for a reason. So, oh, now we talking. Okay. The slickness is getting there. I'm telling you. The day I find the right gel that my hair will love every day, that will be the day, boy. That will be the day. So now that we are done with the gel part, I like to go in with a small teeth comb. This little small itty bitty thing right here. I like to go in and I just like to comb everything back. This is key, man. Like, if you really want that nice slick, even if you don't apply all the gels that I did on my hair, this right here will take you far. I'm telling you, sis, it will take you far, okay? Why am I yelling at you? I don't know, but it would take you really far. So I like to like comb my hair back with this. Go back with this. The moment we all been waiting for, and that is the slick part. We are going to slick it to the limit. So I'm gonna go in with my scrunchie, and I'm just going to, we're doing a low bun, so it's gonna be like right here. This hair is growing right here, and we're not going to tie it too tight because we also want our hair to grow in the midst of this madness, you know? That side is done, and now we're moving on to this side right here. The same thing we did on this side. What do we do? I'm going to spritz my hair with my hair crack. You know, I had the perfect hair spray bottle. It broke. So I'm gonna fast forward this part because it's the same thing I did on this side. I'm gonna do on this side, okay? So yeah. So you see what I mean? My hair be doing some other stuff. So I'm gonna go on with my other gel, which is my STYL, my edge booster. I thought this was an edge control when I first saw it at the beauty supply store, and I was so geeked, and I didn't read the word gel on there. So when I got home, I opened it and I was like, wait a minute, this ain't no edge control, this is gel. You my cousin, you ain't my sister. So yeah, so I'm gonna get this gel and I'm just gonna apply a little bit. I know for some people this might be a lot of steps, but this ain't your hair, this is my hair, you know? So the fun part for me is usually my edges. So I'm just gonna retouch my edges with a brand new toothbrush because it's needed. And we're just going to get it. I think I might just let this little thing just be free at last. Thank God Almighty we are free at last. I might just let you, I might just let you be free right there. Oh, edges are good, scrumptious. Oh. Ooh. Okay, normally this side is usually my problem. Hard-headed child. Look at that. I told you she hard-headed. she the hard-headed one right there. Look at that. So next, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna get my STYL edge booster, edge control. This one's an edge control, and I'm just going to apply it. You gotta be very, very, very careful when you do this one because you don't want the white flakes, because sometimes it turns white. So I'm just gonna use that as the top layer. And when it comes to my edges, I don't like my edges to be like super laid. I like it to be a little bit on that messy side. Dang it, you messed up. Look at you trying to run away from home. I told you about that mess. Ain't that hard to listen. Dang. Stop trying to run away all the time. You ain't gonna find a place to run away to. Okay. So now that we got the little slickness going, you know what I'm saying? You're looking cute or whatever. I'm going to get my fabric right here, my African fabric, because I am Congolese. We always rock the African fabric over here, you heard. And I'm going to have this. Normally some people like to use this satin. I don't like to use satin because I feel like it doesn't lay my hair down as well as this right here. So we're going to tie this down. You ain't gonna tie me down. Look at you, you tied. Okay, so you see that? You see how beautiful these curls are? Yeah, we ain't gonna see them for long. I'm actually going to use my braid right here. Okay, so I'm gonna get this, tie this around like this. Yes, sir. Okay, now that we got this situationship going on, we're gonna get this connected to my natural hair. I know some people be like, black people always gotta have fake hair. You can't use your own hair. No, I cannot. So I'm gonna use this side of my hair and we're going to just braid it down. Listen, I don't be dealing with this whole tangling thing. What I like to do when I get into this tangle situation, I cut them off. We don't need them in our lives. So I'm gonna start from the bottom and I'm just gonna roll this into a bun. You don't want to do it too tight, okay? Don't do it too tight. So it should be like, it should be something like this. And then just to secure the bag, what we're gonna do, we are going to get this over here. This is why I like the black ones, because it's gonna look like a messy bun in the back just because you use this like this. You see that? So the next one we're gonna do on this side, and the same thing I did on this side, I'm doing this side. I'm gonna just fast forward this side, okay? Don't worry if they don't look the same, okay? It's supposed to be like a nice little messy bun. Like, you don't, it doesn't have to like all be the same, you know? That is loose, but it's cute. So back in the days, boy, this hairstyle is giving me back in the days style. But yeah, this is the style. This is just one of those, you know, kick back and ready to run your errands type of hairstyle. But if you work at corporate, you might want to keep it a little bit professional. But if you are one of those people that just like to run errands, you don't know what to do with your hair, you want to keep it like a nice protected style, weekend vibe, this is it for you, sis. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, press the notification bell to be notified every time I post a video. I make fashion videos, I make hairstyle videos, and I also vlog every once in a while. So if you like the little vlogging, you like my personality, you want to be part of the family, you want to be my cousin, because we can't be sisters, we gotta be cousins. If you want to be my cousin, make sure you press the subscribe button. And also, last but not least, I am doing a 16K giveaway. I'm gonna be picking 2 lucky winners to win a $50 gift card. What you gonna do with that $50? None of my business. But the 2 lucky winners will be winning a $50 gift card. Thank you guys so much for 15K. 15K, 16K, I see you down the road, baby. What's good? You know, thank you guys so much for 15K. I appreciate you. You smart, you loyal. We here. All right, I'm done. Bye.